So one leader I know that is great is my manager at a restaurant that I worked at in Raleigh, and she was a great leader because she was always so understanding and kind, and when she would give you feedback, if it was constructive, she would always start it positive, so she wasn't just like making you feel bad the whole time. She would also talk about what she liked about your work and everything. And she was also really good at training, which was really important for me because that was my first food service job ever. So I had a lot to learn. So she was a great leader. And a leader that I don't know that I think is great is the CEO of Netflix, which is Reed Hastings. And he's a good leader because he's able to, first of all, he has a huge company, which is extremely successful, but also he really emphasizes the fact that a leader needs to be good at making decisions that move their team and their project forward. So being able to make the tough decisions and being able to help each individual person in their project and be hands on with their leadership. So, yeah.